98310292.
Okay.
Yes, Jesse, we are live.
I'm admitting everybody. And Chokhani ji ko zara post, Ravi. Great.
Hi, Jiten.
Hi, sir. How are you?
Perfect, yeah.
Great. We are back again.
Thank you, boss. Where is Karan ji?
Karan ji आ गए ना?
आ गए क्या?
मैडम जी नमस्कार.
करण जी नमस्कार. विजय चोखानी.
नमस्कार. कैसे आप?
एकदम परफेक्ट सर.
फैंटास्टिक.
चलिए इस बहाने अपना मिलना हुआ भाई. Where is Ajit ji?
Yeah, he's here. All are here. Okay, friends, please go mute. I request all of you to please go mute. We'll have a small introduction and then we start the session. Request all of you to please, all the hosts to please go mute. Okay. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, a warm welcome to Papa JC Talk Show, and we are back again with another interesting session. It has been our endeavor through our talk shows to showcase the best in healthcare, sports, entertainment, culture, and of course, open mic. That's another vertical we've started where we are encouraging young performers, young artists, young singers, young poets to perform there, and we'll soon host a show for them too. We have conducted 66 shows in the last 3 months. That's quite a lot for us.
करने से अच्छा हो जाएगा तुम.
Sir, Chokhani ji, आप जरा म्यूट कर लीजिए ना तो डिस्टर्ब.
Okay. I'm sorry.
Never mind. Okay, so we have conducted shows with doctors, nutritionists, sports icons, and many other eminent personalities. हम अपने तमाम दर्शकों के आभारी हैं जो इतने दिनों से हमारे साथ जुड़े हुए हैं और आगे जुड़ते रहिए, आते रहिए. This is what I can say for all of you. Thank you so much. Today's show is sponsored exclusively by Abbott. Normally such shows are sponsored shows and are for private viewership only. But we are glad and thankful to Abbott for allowing us to invite so many people so that they can learn and understand about the whole thing called nutrition. Seema ji, please mute yourself. Seema ji, yeah, thank you. So today's show is very interesting because we are talking about food. Our guest of honor is Mr. Karan Kakkar. He has helped thousands of people reverse their lifestyle issues and has helped them become medication free. Now, this is something very, very interesting. Before I hand over the platform to Mr. Karan Kakkar, may I now request Mr. Vijay Chokhani to say a few words. Mr. Vijay Chokhani की कुछ खास बातें मैं बताना चाहूंगा. ये है सबसे मशहूर लोगों में. His connectivity, his PR is so good in Abbott that he knows the whole of Calcutta. He knows all the top industrialists. He knows all the big names of Calcutta, and everybody knows Mr. Vijay Chokhani. Mr. Vijay Chokhani, may I now request you to please say a few words. आप जरा अनम्यूट कर लीजिए अपने आप को प्लीज. यस सर. मिस्टर विजय चोखानी, आप कुछ प्लीज 2 शब्द सुनाइए.
एबिट में आप सबका स्वागत है. इस कार्यक्रम में जैसा अभी हमारे न्यूट्रिशन श्री करण कक्कड़ जी हमें खानपान के सुधार के बारे में बोलेंगे. कोविड-19 ऐसी महामारी है जिसने हमारी रोज की जिंदगी बदल दी है. मास्किंग, सोशल डिस्टेंसिंग, वर्क फ्रॉम होम, सैनिटाइजेशन, ये हमारा रोजमर्रा का काम हो गया है. आयुर्वेद, योगा, वॉक, हमारे मसाले, हल्दी का दूध, नींबू पानी, अंकुरित अनाज, लौंग, ये अब हमारे रोज के कार्यक्रम में हम लोगों ने शामिल किया है. अब कैलोरी फूड, ऑर्गेनिक फूड की तरफ हम ज्यादा आकर्षित हो रहे हैं. श्री करण कक्कड़ जी आज इसी विषय पे हमें और चर्चा करेंगे और बताएंगे हमें आगे कैसे बढ़ना है.
थैंक यू चोखानी जी, वेरी वेल सेड. इनफैक्ट ये आप लोग की वजह से एज एबिट आज बहुत सारे लोगों को समझ में आएगा जो हम लोग को जानना जरूरी है. खाना एक ऐसा चीज है जो एक अपने आप में मेडिसिन बन सकता है। ये इसके लिए जो आप लोगों ने हम लोग को मौका दिया इनवाइट करने का, थैंक यू सो मच। नाउ मे आई इनवाइट मिस्टर संदीप गुप्ता जी टू से अ फ्यू वर्ड्स ऑन बिहाफ ऑफ एबिट। संदीप गुप्ता जी, प्लीज अनम्यूट योरसेल्फ, प्लीज अनम्यूट योरसेल्फ। इनका साउंड का इशू था, आई डोंट नो, आप अनम्यूट कर लीजिए अपने आप को प्लीज। आपकी सर आवाज नहीं आ रही है संदीप जी, आपको जरा अनम्यूट करना पड़ेगा आपकी आवाज बिल्कुल नहीं आ रही है। आई एम सो सॉरी, आई एम सो सॉरी।
JC, Mr. Raja Sinha is there.
Okay, please take him in. Can I now request Mr. Ajit Kumar Jain? He is the president of Abbott, as well as Calcutta के सबसे जाने माने इंटीरियर डिजाइनर में से माने जाते हैं। इनका परिचय सर आपको अनम्यूट करना पड़ेगा। अजीत जी, आपको एक अनम्यूट वहां दबा दीजिए बटन। एक ये अनम्यूट ऑप्शन है, नीचे खाली बटन दबाना आपको। आप अनम्यूट नहीं कर पा रहे। यू आर द को होस्ट ऑल्सो। करण, प्लीज हेल्प हिम अनम्यूट। तो इनका परिचय तो अपने आप में एक परिचय, ये खास मित्र भी है, प्रेसिडेंट भी हैं और कलकत्ते के जाने माने इंटीरियर डिजाइनर में माने जाते हैं। और इनकी बातें सुनने के लिए हम बेचैन हैं। लेट्स लेट हिम अनम्यूट हिमसेल्फ। यस, ही इज अनम्यूटेड हिमसेल्फ। ग्रेट। सो अजीत जी, ओवर टू यू। प्लीज से अ फ्यू वर्ड्स ऑन बिहाफ ऑफ एबिट।
We have invited Mr. Karan Kakkar, a well-known personality, to guide us for our diet, food habits, considering the present pandemic. We have also opened up a question answer session for the benefit of all of us. Please join us in this to improve our health parallel to our current habits, as we are keeping indoors. Mr. Kakkar is well known for the phase reverse factor, and coincidentally, I am under his treatment also. He will be seeing me for the first time, but then I am greatly improving in my own way, and I should say that things are effective. You have to be a slightly tolerant. You can't do magics, but then definitely he's put us in the right track by giving us a very good guidance towards living and food habits. We are all obliged, and above all, the reverse factor works. So, Mr. Kakkar, you can take me as one of your voter. Now, before we give this to Jiten, let me speak a few lines. You see, when you die, when you go to heaven or you go to hell, there is somebody called Chitragupt. He carries a khata and puts a name, and he guides. So we have got a Chitragupt in Jiten.
बाप रे बाप।
Jiten is one person who is picking up jewels of India and producing it to us through this video program, and we are greatly benefited by his such a tremendous effort, and we are fascinated by the way he is working. Let us give him a big hand. And Dr. Saab, Dr. Kakkar, I am very much following you with slightly fingers crossed. See, it's my dog's tail. It can't be straightened in a way. फटाक से और फिर टेढ़ा होता ही है. So please be patient with us like you do with others. I hope we'll see the best, and all my friends who are watching this show or those who are going to watch again will be benefited. Please follow it. Please follow it. Thank you
so much. Thank you so much. बहुत अच्छा बोलते हैं अजीत जी, और मेरे को इतना बड़ा नाम देने के लिए बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया. Thank you so much. Now may I request Kavita ji to please introduce our guest of honor, and we can start the show after that.
Yes, please. So good evening, everyone. It's indeed a pleasure again to introduce Mr. Karan Kakkar on board with us again for the second time. So Karan Kakkar is an international nutrigenomics and disease reversal expert based in India. He is an expert in holistic nutrition and also associated with American Fitness Professionals and Associates, AFPA. His passion in medical nutrition, which is backed by extensive research in the field of nutrigenomics, which is actually the scientific study of the interaction of nutrigenomics and the genes together. He has revolutionized the world of prevention, treatment, and reversal of lifestyle diseases. He has helped thousands of people reverse their lifestyle diseases and help them become medication free. So I'm sure we'll have this great fruitful session today and everybody will be greatly benefited. Over to you, Papa JC.
Thank you so much. So now it's Karan ji all the way. Karan ji, आपका स्वागत है इस शो में, दोबारा आपका स्वागत है और हम चाहेंगे कि आज का सेशन हम कुछ डिफरेंटली करना चाहेंगे. नॉर्मली पिछली बार हम लोग ने बहुत सारे क्वेश्चन आंसर किए थे. इस बार मेरी गुजारिश रहेगी सबसे कि हम लोग आपसे सुने, बिकॉज आई हैव बीन फॉलोइंग यू इन लॉट ऑफ प्लेटफॉर्म्स. वी वांट टू हियर फ्रॉम यू what you want to teach us, basically what you are trying to tell about nutrition, the food, the medicine, how it will work during these times, how we can use food as medicine, how we can help ourselves treat other diseases. और आपकी एक सबसे बहुत important चीज जो आप बोलते हैं, diabetes reversal. On a serious note, we would like to understand from you later, you must explain to us, how does this work, how does the whole program work, because diabetes is a challenge for everybody. So if we can get a brief from you how it can work. So friends, before we start the question and answer session, I will request Mr. Kakkar to say a few words on his method of nutrition and the ways that we should adopt. In the meantime, if you have some questions from him, you can write down on the chat box. We have his representative who's going to answer a lot of questions on the chat box to you. After that, we will come for direct question answer with him. So the forum is all yours, sir. The most handsome looking man of the day.
Thank you so much, Jiten, for getting this organized. Thank you, Abid, for having me here. It is indeed a pleasure to be in front of each and every one of you and to share with you what we really feel can be of utmost importance when it comes to creating good health or reversing disease. Now, whatever time we are here together, next 1 or 2 hours, I really want all of you to focus on whatever we are discussing. You have any doubts, you have any questions, you ask me 1,000 times. But I really want all of you to be empowered with right information, because the first step to reversing disease or creating good health is right awareness and right knowledge. You know, for reversing lifestyle disease, education is much more important than medication. You know, when I started my career around 6-7 years back, I used to travel a lot in different parts of India. I used to go to Bangalore, Hyderabad, Chennai, Delhi, Mumbai. I used to meet with a lot of doctors. I used to visit a lot of diabetic clinics and many, many hospitals. And something which I saw there was really not okay compared to what I was taught. So when I go to a diabetologist or any diabetes doctor, I see there are around 40-50 people waiting, and the doctor comes, he has 2 hours with himself. In that 2 hours, he sees 40-50 patients. The patient walks in, talks to him, shows the report, he changes the medications, and the patient walks out. Maximum 5 minutes to 7 minutes. That is not the way you reverse a disease. That is not the way you empower people to take their health in their own hands. So, and compared to that, what I had seen with a lot of my mentors and my teachers back in US, they used to see not more than 15 to 18 patients in a day. They used to spend time, they used to spend 30 minutes, 40 minutes educating the person that why are you suffering with high blood pressure and why are you suffering with high diabetes, and how you can change your lifestyle, how you can change your food, and then you can become much more better. So it is never about medicine or no medicine. It is always about treating the root cause of the disease. So for all the viewers, I would want to keep it very, very simple. Let us look at it like this, that broadly speaking, there are 2 types of disease. Number 1 is infection disease, polio, malaria, dengue, outside infection coming to the body. Coronavirus is an infection disease, outside infection entering our system. And another is lifestyle disease, blood pressure, diabetes, joint pain, heart disease, lung health, fatty liver, all of that, and the list goes on. Now, 100 years back, which disease was high? Infection disease was very, very high, all right? And lifestyle disease was very, very less. 100 years back, hardly anyone had high blood pressure, heart disease, joint pains, diabetes. But last 30, 40 years, lifestyle disease have become an epidemic, and infection disease have gone down drastically thanks to advancement in vaccination, antibiotics, drugs, and all of that. Now, here is the biggest problem. People today try and treat lifestyle disease the way they were treating infection disease, which means if you have an infection disease, you take antibiotic. You have an infection which is there in your body from outside, you take antibiotic, you become better, which makes sense. But in case of lifestyle disease, just popping a pill and thinking that you're becoming better is absolutely not a good idea. Just imagine if I have a fasting blood sugar level of 100 and you have a fasting blood sugar level of 100, but I am taking 4 medicines, insulin injections, and then my fasting is 100, and your fasting is 100 without any medication and without any insulin injection. Although paper shows 100 for both, but biologically, you are much better than what I am. This is something that we need to understand. What happens today, in today's generation, what happens when someone who is 25 years, 30 years, 35 years, when he or she has blood pressure or diagnosed with blood pressure or diabetes? What does that gentleman do? He just starts popping a pill. He never thinks about reversing the root cause of the disease. He never thinks about changing his eating habits, his lifestyle, his food, and all of that. Why is it important? Because, and that is the most important thing, because it is always important to treat the root cause of the disease. Today, we see so many kidney patients. Every week, we get 25 to 28 kidney patients. You look at in your circle and you will find 99% people who have kidney problems, CKD, chronic kidney disease. They have years, 15, 20 years, 25 years history of high blood pressure or high sugar or both. Were they not having medicines for BP or sugar or both? Every day they took medicines for high blood pressure or they took medicines for diabetes. But what they never did was they never treated the root cause of the disease. They never changed their habits, their lifestyle, their food. One of the most misleading word in this planet is diet. Nobody should ever do any diets. It is always about habits and not diets. How many people did diets 100 years back? Hardly anyone. People focused on right habits. So message number 1 to all of you is the mindset change. We will not live with lifestyle disease, blood pressure, diabetes, joint pain, thyroid, cholesterol. अगर लेनी पड़ेगी तो एक आध गोली ले लेंगे, but we will not just be dependent on and keep increasing our medications. I was talking to one lady today who had approached us from Nagpur, and I was talking to her. She said that I had high blood pressure 5 years back. I started with 1 medication, then it increased to 2 medication, then it increased to 3 medication, and now also cholesterol medications have increased. This is the problem. Treat the root cause. एक आध लेना पड़ेगा तो गोली ले लेंगे, but जड़ से ठीक करेंगे, habits में ध्यान देंगे, day to day routine को ठीक करेंगे. So the first message for all of you is that lifestyle disease is reversible. We have always been told कि एक बार diabetes, blood pressure, thyroid का गोली ले लेंगे तो lifelong चलेगा. It is not a lifelong disease. It is a lifestyle disease. So let us do a lot of lifestyle changes. अगर 100% रिवर्स नहीं हो, 80% रिवर्स हो, 70% रिवर्स हो, why not? So the first take home message for all of you is that mindset change, that lifestyle disease are not lifelong, they are because of wrong lifestyle. So we will not live with this disease. We will do whatever is required to reverse these disease. All right, so that is message number 1. Message number 2, now that we have understood that there is acute disease, infection disease, lifestyle disease, and lifestyle disease is driven by wrong food and lifestyle that can be reversed. Now that we have understood this, next is what do we do? So, and there will come your second message. Now, we have always believed, or rather we have always been told, that food is a source of energy or a source of calorie, right? खाना मतलब energy मिलेगा या फिर calories जा रहा है. But 1990, early 1990s where there was a new science which has evolved, which is known as nutrigenomics. N-U-T-R-I, nutrigenomics, which means how nutrition can change your genes. All right. Now, this means something else. Now let us understand with simple terms. Okay. हम पपीता खाएंगे या हम अभी ब्रोकली खाएंगे या फिर हम रेड येलो ग्रीन कैप्सिकम खाएंगे. So हमारे अंदर that 100 calories of broccoli, carrot or red capsicum, वो हमारे अंदर जाके in next 2 hours they will do something. Compared to that, when we have burger, pasta, pizza, same 100 calories, that thing जब हमारे अंदर जाएगा तो अगले 2 घंटे में those food will do something inside, which means that 100 calories of Coca-Cola is not same as 100 calories of broccoli, right? We always thought that food is calorie or food is energy. If that is right, then how can 100 calories of broccoli and 100 calories of Coca-Cola be the same thing? Which means then that food is not just calorie or a source of energy, but it is information. आप याद रखेंगे, food is information, which means then that if I am eating gajar or broccoli, so that gajar or broccoli is talking to my each and every cell of the body. It is giving some information. Similarly, when I'm having Coca-Cola, pasta, burger, that food is talking to each and every cell of my body and giving some information. Now that information, the information that can be given to our cell can be either health promoting or can be disease promoting. Very, very simple. All right. So it can either be health promoting or disease promoting. All right. So there is something known as gene expression. That so if I'm eating anything, how my genes are expressed. If I'm thinking anything, if I have positive thoughts, if I have stress levels, how are my genes expressed? So with right food or with wrong food, our body is getting information. So the second message for all of you is that food is information, and every single day, whatever we eat, that will give some information to our body. All right. Now imagine कल जितेन का बर्थडे है, वो हम लोग को पिज्जा, बर्गर, पास्ता, कोल्ड ड्रिंक खिलाता है. No problem, absolutely okay. Once in a while, everything is okay. But when you do that on a day-to-day basis, you are giving your body information to create more and more disease. Making sense? Therefore, second point and message for all of you is that we need to give our body right information, with the help of which our body can start reversing disease. So many studies have shown that with right food, you can either turn on health promoting genes or you can turn on disease promoting genes. Now it is a choice. Everything in life is after all a choice. So once in a while, no problem. I never ask people to stop eating out or stop eating bad foods. Once in a while, you should enjoy, you should stay happy, do that. But your habits, day to day, nobody becomes sick by eating junk food twice in a month, but they become sick when they eat junk foods 5 times in a week, right? So we need to understand that we need to eat real food, which can give good information to our body. So that is message number 2 for every one of you. Then comes message number 3. I'm going to give you 5 powerful messages. Okay, so first powerful message was understand that all lifestyle diseases are completely reversible. They are not there for lifelong. They are there because of wrong lifestyle and wrong food. That was message number 1. Second, now that you have understood this, second message for all of you is that whatever we are putting inside. So when I study epigenetics, in epigenetics, we are taught that food and thoughts, these are the 2 things which can enter our system. Thoughts and food, correct? So either right thoughts and right food, when they go inside, they can create a lot of good health. And when wrong thoughts and wrong foods go inside, they can create a lot of disease promoting activities, right? So the second message for all of you is that within us, just imagine how powerful we are. Just imagine how powerful we are. Every single day, we have an opportunity to create good health by giving our body right information in terms of food and thoughts. Isn't that powerful? But we are not aware. I come from a Gujarati joint family. All right. And from bachpan se we have seen gathia, jalebi, dhokla, all of that. So we were not aware. People are not aware. I mean, there's no bad, there's nothing known as bad people. Everybody is good. But when you are not aware, you unknowingly do a lot of things which can end up in wrong result, right? And so once you become aware, now everybody knows after today's session that food actually gives our body information. So next time when you will pick up that samosa, you will know that, boss, this is a wrong information which is going. Fine, you will have 1 bite, 2 bite. That's it. Good. That is what we want. But day to day, we want that right information should go inside. All right. That is very, very important. So that is message number 2 for all of you, that every day become conscious. Don't answer anyone. Answer to yourself that whatever information I'm putting inside, is it good for me or is it bad for you? All right. And once you are answerable to yourself, you know it that you will do good. All right. Third, very, very important thing for all of you is when it comes to food, all right, and reversing disease, we have always been told that, breakfast is like king and, lunch and dinner. So people generally end up eating 3 meals. But one small change that all of you can do really, that will really help you, is limit the intake of cooked food to 2 times in a day. All right. So lunch and dinner can be your good 2 meals, which is roti, sabzi, dal, chawal. Apart from lunch and dinner, you are not supposed to eat cooked meal. All right. Now, why I'm sharing this with you? Because this is one of the most practical mistakes I see in many, many people. Most people, when they come to me, all right, we ask them कि आप सुबह से लेकर रात तक क्या खाते हैं? 99%, 95% plus people will answer, Subah I have chai biscuit, then nashta mein poha, bhujia, something like that, then lunch, sham ko chai biscuit, and then dinner. Now, just remove their lunch and dinner for a second and observe, subah se leke raat tak, what has that gentleman eaten apart from lunch and dinner? How much good food, real food, plant foods? Negligible. All right. So the third message for all of you is that cooked food is only lunch and dinner. And apart from lunch and dinner, throughout the day, you are supposed to eat plant foods, real foods, which means, so say for example, there are 2 people, person A gets up, has chai biscuit, poha bhujia, lunch, chai biscuit, dinner. Are you getting what I'm saying? Person 2 gets up, he has in the morning seasonal fruits, papaya, anar, guava, chia seeds, all of that. Then maybe he has a fresh juice or a sattu water or a good soup or pineapple juice or whatever, or sprouts, which is excellent plant protein, seasonal stuff, eating sprouts. And then he has lunch, the same lunch as person 1. Evening, he again has a musambi or an apple or some seeds or something like that, and then same dinner. So person A and person B are having same lunch and dinner. But apart from lunch and dinner, what person B is eating throughout the day is health promoting, good for him, disease reversal properties. And what person A is eating is just empty calories, no vitamins, no minerals, no fiber from food. And one of the things that 95% people lack worldwide is fiber. Fiber is the best friend for human beings. People who eat fiber, they don't have diabetes, they don't get overweight, they don't have lifestyle disease. And where on earth do you find fiber? Only and only plant foods, foods that come from plant sources, real foods like fruits and vegetables. Only that will have fiber, and no packet foods, no animal foods, no processed foods will have fiber. So message number 1 for all of you is, understand this concept and have this mindset that lifestyle disease are not for lifelong. They are lifestyle related, diet related, food related, and absolutely reversible. Second point is that food is information. So every single day, whatever we eat is giving us an information to either create good health, build immunity, or create disease and weaken our immune system. And third is that cooked food is only lunch and dinner, which is normal roti, sabzi, dal, chawal. But apart from lunch and dinner, all you have supposed to eat in the entire day is plant foods, real foods. All right. people talk a lot about calories. Itna khana chahiye. I really don't believe in calories. Never have I counted, or I don't ask people to count calories. Because again, 100 calories of broccoli vis-a-vis 50 calories of Coca-Cola. You might say that no, it's half the calorie, but that broccoli will give you good, okay, nutrient-wise. But that Coca-Cola will give you a lot of disease-promoting stuff, right? So focus on the nutrients rather than number of calories. It is far superior and wise to focus on the nutrient of the food rather than number of calories. All right. So these are the three important messages. Message number 4 for all of you, and I really want you to apply this. Message number 4 for all of you is that good health lies on 4 pillars. Number 1 is food and nutrition. Number 2 is physically being active. Number 3 is good sleep. Number 4 is emotional health. No matter what, you cannot put garbage in your brain. All right. No matter how much good you are eating, if emotionally you're not okay, today or tomorrow you're going to invite disease. So message number 4 for all of you is that focus on these 4 pillars of good health: right food and nutrition, physically being active, good sleep, and emotional health. And ensure if we can, when we are working, when anybody is working in office or at home or whatever, all right, now we have targets, we have annual targets, monthly targets, and we break down to achieve those targets, right? Similarly, in life, in health, we should have targets, all right, which means that if you have diabetes, fatty liver, cholesterol, all right, and you are on 6 medications, you should give yourself target that, boss, by end of this year, by December, I will ensure that my 6 medications come to 3 medication. My weight should be around 5-7 kgs down. My energy level should be better. My constipation should be better. Make your targets and work accordingly. Similarly, on a day-to-day basis, focus on these 4 pillars. Good health is on food, physically being active, good sleep, and emotional health. So give yourself, not give yourself, but try and evaluate yourself on where you lie on these 4 pillars. Then you might say that my food is good, I've improved my food. Physically, I'm trying to be active, but my sleep is not okay. Or I'm taking too much stress, emotionally, I'm not okay. And we should focus on working that and making that better. So in a month's time, in 1 month, 2 months' time, you should ensure that all these 4 pillars, food and nutrition, physically being active, good sleep, and emotional health, all these 4 pillars should be absolutely good. Because once, trust me, last 6 years, I have seen so many people reversing diabetes. You tell me, I will call 10 people right now. They were on high insulin injections, high cholesterol. Today, their HbA1c, which is a biomarker for diabetes, is absolutely normal. The report says they are non-diabetic. They are no more on insulin injections, no more on medications. Same with fatty liver, liver cirrhosis, kidney, high creatinine issues, cholesterol, blood pressure. We have seen so many people reversing disease. And one common thing that all of these people have who have reversed is that none of them followed diets. They had good habits. They had good practices. They made lifestyle changes. So what they started adopting as eating right, that became their lifestyle. So for example, Calcutta mein, there is something known as Kala Mandir, right, which is Manjushri Khaitan ka hai. There is one of the company is Manjushri Plantation. Usme one of the director, one of the MD in that company is Mr. Gaurav Mitra. Mr. Gaurav Mitra was 96 kgs, okay, 56 units of insulin injection and high cholesterol, high triglyceride. Today, that person is 76 kg, no insulin injection, diabetes absolutely reversed. He was hardcore non-vegetarian when he met me. Today, he might be eating once in a month, twice in a month, non-vegetarian food. That is what I want. Make right eating your lifestyle. Once in a while, everything is okay. So focus on these 4 pillars. I'm telling you, because once all these 4 pillars are good, you will start becoming better. How many studies have shown that good sleep is such an important criteria for good immune system? When you're sleeping, your body is making more white blood cells for your immunity. When you're sleeping, your mind is releasing neurotransmitters and hormones that will clean the system. So your immunity is heavily dependent on your good sleep. All right. So ensure that all these 4 pillars are doing very, very fine. And once you're, अगर हम input में ध्यान देंगे ना, तो output automatically अच्छा होगा. So if you ensure that as an input, right, food, sleep, physically being active, and good and for emotional health. If all these four things are good from your side as an input, output has to be better. All right, so that is my message number 4 to all of you. All right, very, very important. Do not neglect any one of these pillars. All these pillars are equally important, if not less or more. And you need to ensure that, you need to be answerable to yourself that all these 4 pillars are working absolutely good. All right, so that is my message number 4. And my message number 5 to all of you is just one thing. It is stay happy and focus on immunity. Very, very important. That is one thing I've really learned. When I see patients, I really see this small thing, someone who might be, taking a lot of stress, complaining a lot, and, still have a lot of disease. Compared to that, someone, okay, who are being very happy, all right, who are in love with life, who is practicing gratitude, all right, thankful for whatever they have, disease unse वैसे ही दूर रहती है. All right. So I generally observe that we are the creator of our health. And this is something I want everyone to understand. It is you, okay? It is because of your habit that why we are here today. You have created your health. So if you want a good future, and if you want to ensure that next 15, 20, 30 years, you have good health, then it is you who have to create it. All right. So practice gratitude. All right. Focus on the system that it is your thoughts, your personality, your habits that is going to determine how your good health is supposed to be. All right. So if you remember these 5 things and apply this on a day-to-day basis, I am sure it is just a matter of time, 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, but you will start seeing good changes. And when you see good changes, you are inspired to do the same thing again and again. All right. So I really want all of you to adopt these 5 things, because it all begins with that mindset change. Then you apply that, eat right, focus on 4 pillars of good health. And last, acknowledge that it is you who are the creator of your own life and own health. So thank you so much. Over to you, Jiten. A short message for all the viewers. I am very, very open for discussions, question and answers, but I really want people to take back home a lot of points which they can apply and do it.
Thank you. आपकी बातें खत्म ना हो ज़्यादा अच्छा लगता है. We enjoy listening to you more than talking or asking anything from you. But आप ऐसे continuously बोल कैसे रहे? Are you reading something it's saying, or just from your mind, sir?
It just comes from within.
Brilliant, brilliant. You're doing wonderful. Friends, we have a guest with us, one of my favorite speakers also. Mr. Atul Satya Kaushik has joined us. Can I request him to please keep his video on? Atul ji, you are here. Please join in. I made you a co-host. When you are done, please join in when you can. We would love to talk to you also. In the meanwhile, before we start our session for today, Karanji, can we know a little more about your products? Because I've been following your site and website and all that. You have some products that you've developed. There are few products I was reading are about the immunity development. Then there is something called something to do with the nasal drop or something. Could you please share a little bit about them?
I would broadly want everyone to understand this. So there are a couple of, if I have to categorize, so there are 3 categories. Okay. Number 1 is seeds, things like pumpkin seeds, chia seeds, flax seeds, which are powerhouse of nutrients. All right. Now, so many studies have shown that when you regularly have 2 to 3 spoons of flaxseed powder every single day, your risk for high blood pressure or heart disease goes down drastically. You can prevent and reverse the onset of breast cancer. So all of these seeds are very, very highly in terms of nutrient value. So that is number 1. All the range of seeds we supply to people because we want them to get it easily and start eating it. Number 1. Number 2 is we have 2 of a unique product which we really want people to make the most of it. Number 1 is something known as Breathe Easy. All right. Now, Breathe Easy is a liquid which I really want people to take a steam. So generally, karna kya hai? Breathe Easy, as all of you can see in front of you. So Breathe Easy is a liquid, and all you need to do is just take 3 to 4 drops and usko garam pani mein dalna hai, and just take a steam of that. All right, this is what we want people to do. If you can just zoom a little, Gargi. So I just want people to understand. So this is a liquid, and all you have to do is just isko garam pani mein dalna hai. Especially for COVID times, I really would encourage people to do it. Otherwise, we have been regularly recommending this to people who have lung issue, who have asthmatic, who have COPD, who are on inhalers. We have seen so many people going off inhalers. All right, and it is a very very simple product, and all you have to do is just add 4 to 5 drops of this in hot water, and 2 to 3 times in a day. I want you to take steam of this, okay? And the beauty about this product is just 3 days. And if anybody does this for 3 days, he or she will start feeling the change in terms of better, their blocked noses will start opening up, the breathing becomes much better, oxygen will become available to all parts in the lungs. So it is excellent for people to use, especially for people who have lung issue, asthma, COPD. Highly recommended for them, and within months, 1-2 months, they can see their inhalers is going down. But apart from that, even if people do not have such issues, at least during COVID times, I will really want people, ये 2-3 महीना आप ये गर्म पानी में डालिए और इसका steam लीजिए, as simple as that, 2 to 3 times in a day. That's it. All right. So that is one. Another very very simple product which we have made and available for everyone is immunity powder. Now there are around 10 ingredients in this, and again all natural ingredients like haldi, ajwain, and cinnamon, and then we have coriander seeds, fennel seeds, natural ingredients. Okay, we use 2 to 3 of them are organic, but otherwise most are natural, and it has a little flavor of haldi. It has a flavor of haldi, and but it is very very soothing in taste. And so इसको करना क्या है, दिन में एक बार आप 1 teaspoon पाउडर लेना है of this immunity powder, and उसको एक ग्लास ल्यूकवार्म वाटर में 1 चम्मच इम्यूनिटी पाउडर डालेंगे, एंड इसको आप बस इसको पीना है सुबह शाम कभी भी, बट वंस इन अ डे यू आर सपोज टू हैव दिस 1 spoon of immunity powder in lukewarm water, 1 glass lukewarm water, and इसको आप पीजिएगा. We are getting fantastic repeat orders because जो ले रहे हैं, they are liking it, they are benefiting it, and they are ordering for all the near and dear ones. Very very simple. So these 2 products I really want at least 3 महीना तो लीजिए during COVID times. It will really help boost your immunity and good for lung health. All right. And apart from these, we have simple herbs which are good for diabetes, anti-diabetic herb, good for kidney health. So seeds are there, 3-4 herbs are there, natural herbs, and then we have these 2 products. So I really want people to understand this. Again, as I told you, it is not about taking medicine or not medicine. It is always about treating the root cause of the disease. कि वो जड़ से ठीक होना चाहिए. That is very very important.
So we and Abbott, we jointly support this cause of yours. That's why you are here. So as a special gesture, we will send emails to all those who have attended or registered for this show with all the product details, so that if they want to buy, they can buy from you. Wonderful session so far. As a special gesture again, Abbott and Mr. Kakkar has decided to gift 3 such sample packs or gift hampers. We will choose during the course of discussion, say about at 6 p.m. we will do the draw live in front of you of all the people who've registered, and 3 of you will receive it. So now we start with our first session of question and answers. In case you want to ask questions, you can raise your hands, ask in the chat, or we are moving as it is. So the first question for you, Mr. Karan Kakkar, are you ready with it?
Absolutely.
Okay. They say grain products such as rice are fattening, and you should avoid them trying to lose weight. True or false?
Amazing question. And so I will want to, in fact, this is something which everybody should listen. So a question that has come is, something like rice or grain products, are a little fattening and not good, and इससे वजन बढ़ता है. A lot of people ask about potato. Okay, potato से overweight होते हैं, rice से overweight होते हैं. Now everybody listen to this. कोई भी एक चीज से कुछ नहीं होता है, right? What is important is कि हम पूरे दिन क्या कर रहे हैं. Now, so imagine someone who gets up who is doing some exercise, he's eating seasonal fruits, he's eating sprouts, and he's eating salad. फिर लंच में वो थोड़ा राइस लेता है, सब्जी लेता है and all that. शाम को योगा करता है, सीड्स खाता है, रात को डिनर लेता है, स्ट्रेस नहीं लेता है, नींद उसकी अच्छी है. Compared to that, someone उसका स्लीप में कोई अता पता नहीं है, gets up, has junk food, bhujia, cornflakes, all of that. Lunch में he then says मैं आलू नहीं खाऊंगा, राइस नहीं खाऊंगा because उससे वजन बढ़ता है. You know, it doesn't make sense. What is important is to understand that what we do on a day-to-day basis is very, very important. कोई एक ingredient से या कोई एक चीज खा के ज्यादा कुछ होगा नहीं. Point number one. Secondly, rice has been a traditional food. Roti, sabzi, dal, chawal, everybody should have, no problem. But again, we have to eat sensibly. So हम इतना ज्यादा चावल लेके इतना सब्जी नहीं लेंगे. We'll have a small portion of rice with good amount of vegetable. So when you eat balanced way, absolutely okay, no problem.
Thank you. So Google Saab, I call you the Google of nutrition. My next question to you is, starving yourself can be effective for weight loss, as in the dieting and all that. Say, put some light on that.
Amazing question. जिनको भी वजन कम करना है, जिनको भी fat loss चाहिए and all of that, always remember 2-3 important things. Point number one, point number one, we should always focus on long term, which means that today if my age is, say example is 40 years and मुझे अगर 70-80 years तक fit होना है, I should think about long term. And suppose today my weight is say 100 kgs. What is important for me? That next 8 महीना में, 1 साल में ये 100 से मैं 85 आ जाऊं, 80 आ जाऊं. That is what I need. So people should not focus on fast. They should focus on sustainability and consistency. What mistake many people do is, and I keep hearing from them, okay, I was doing this crash diet, fat diet, and हमारा एक बार में 10-15 किलो कम हो गया 3 महीने में, फिर वापस 8 किलो बढ़ गया. That doesn't make sense, right? So हम कभी भी कम नहीं खाएंगे. It is never about eating less. It is always about eating right. I am happy अगर आपका महीने में 2-2.5 किलो भी कम होता है. I am happy, but that has to be consistent and sustainable for 6 months, 8 months. अगर 6-7 महीना आप हर महीना 2 kg कम करोगे तो 6 महीने बाद 12-13 किलो दिखेगा. So don't worry about being fast. Focus always on consistency. Focus always on sustainability. So eat right and lose weight. Don't eat less and lose weight.
Thank you. What is this concept of detox? Why do they say that detox करके हम शुरू करना चाहते हैं? Anything on that, sir?
See, detox is not bad. Now it's how you detox that is important. So, for example, there is something known as Jeera water. We recommend to most of them and to all the viewers. आप लोग को morning में the best thing to start is have Jeera water. Jeera, tulsi, pudina. Just boil it. एक glass आधा करके चाय के कप में डालेंगे. You have Jeera water. Now, Jeera water is excellent detox drink. Cleans the system. Good for blood pressure. Good for cholesterol. Gas acidity के लिए it is Ramban. So you start your day with Jeera water, which is amazing. You go to Jindal, you go to nature cure centers, you get Jeera water. So that is excellent for you, which is fine. So detox to a certain extent is okay. Eating right, clean eating is okay. But again, as we discussed, starving, nahi khana, that is not a solution.
बस इसके अलावा आपको सजेस्ट कर, जैसे जीरा वाटर एक बहुत ही आउट ऑफ द बॉक्स सजेशन था आपका, जिसमें हम लोग नॉर्मली जो न्यूट्रिशनिस्ट्स आते हैं हमारे पास, फोरम में आ चुके हैं काफी जन, they do not focus much on these kitchen supplements, जैसे हल्दी, डाठा, whatever, खाने का. You recommend something for our viewers कि एक ऐसा फॉर्मेट रखे, सुबह उठ के जीरा वाटर ले लिया, साथ में कुछ पीस पास के, एक तो आपके जैसे इम्यूनिटी पाउडर हो गया, साथ में कुछ और सजेस्ट करें अगर आप.
So see, okay, couple of things. Number one is Jeera water. I want everyone कि हम चाय कॉफी की जगह पे डे टू डे, दिन में एक बार 2 बार जब मन करे, सबके घर में जीरा होता है.
एक बार उसका कंटेंट बता दें आप, जीरा वाटर में क्या क्या डालना है, कैसे डालना है.
So primarily it is jeera, 1 spoon, 4-5 tulsi, 4-5 पुदीना. This is the 3 main ingredients. जिनको गैस एसिडिटी ज्यादा हो, आप 1 चम्मच सौंफ डालना, 1/2 स्पून अजवाइन डालना. This is रामबाण for gas acidity. जीरा, तुलसी, पुदीना, 1 चम्मच सौंफ, 1/2 स्पून अजवाइन. Just boil this, 1 गिलास को आधा करो, छान के चाय के कप में डालो, few drops of lemon, just enjoy jeera water. Last 6-7 years we have prescribed this to so many patients. एक आदमी नहीं आया हमको बोलने के लिए कि हमको ये पसंद नहीं है. It's good in taste. It is an excellent detox water. It is very, very alkaline. plus jeera mein tulsi, jeera mein calcium, magnesium, lot of benefits, so you get all of that. So jeera water, everybody, today our session gets over, you want to have something, you have jeera water. Okay. Number 2, habit point of view for all of you, before lunch and dinner, very very important, and nobody will tell you this. Before lunch and dinner, you are supposed to have a bowl of salad. Kitna time lagega? 20 seconds, 30 seconds, 1 minute. A bowl of salad that could have anything you like, gajar, beet, red, yellow, green capsicum, whatever you like. But दो तीन चीज डाल के आप एक bowl of salad खाइए before your lunch, before your dinner. Make it your habit. Why? Because we need more and more colors. जितने हम ज्यादा natural colors खाएंगे, हमको health benefiting compounds हमारे अंदर जाएंगे. Number 1. Number 2, eating a salad before meals is very alkaline. So your body is not acidic, it becomes alkaline. Very very important. And उसका फायदा भी हमको मिलता है, right? So you're adding a lot of fiber. So a bowl of salad before lunch and dinner. Number 2. And number 3 is empty stomach fruits. So before, so first thing in the morning, 8, 8:30 baje, and in the evening 5, 5:30, you should have fruits because you are empty stomach both these times. All right. ये 3 सिंपल चीज अपना लीजिए. जीरा पानी दिन में 1-2 बार जब लेना है लेंगे. Fruits, empty stomach, and lunch and dinner के पहले bowl of salad. Very very simple, but make this your lifestyle. Make this your habit.
So salad means even onion. Onion becomes a part of salad.
Correct. And during COVID times, I really want all of you to focus on eating more onions. So many studies have shown onions are amazing for immunity. Number 1. Number 2, onions really are very good for lungs. Very, very good for clearing mucus from your system. In fact, last 1 month, we have seen around 30-35 families or people who were suffering from COVID. And we were helping them with right food, right immunity, and all of that. So one thing, so a lot of people जिनको खांसी होता है, fever है, खांसी हो रहा है, one thing that we recommend works like magic, 3-4 days, and उनकी खांसी ठीक हो जाती है, is 1 spoon of raw onion juice. जिनको भी खांसी हो रहा है, सुबह उठिए, 1 चम्मच कच्चा ऑनियन का जूस बना के 1 चम्मच बस पी लीजिए, उससे खांसी ड्रास्टिकली कम हो जाता है. All right. So onions are superfood. So try and include in lunch and dinner. खाने के साथ खाइए.
So आप थैंक यू बोल सकते हैं, मैंने याद दिलाया आपको.
Yeah, thank you so much.
आपके हिसाब से और कोई ऐसी बातें जो आप शेयर करना चाहेंगे जो एक रामबाण की तरह काम करे हमारे रेगुलर हैबिट्स में?
Drumstick, I have been talking a lot about drumstick. Drumstick is a superfood which we all, I mean, everywhere it is easily available. जो डाठा कहते हैं, जो सांभर के अंदर होता है. One of the superfoods when it comes to immunity is drumsticks. All right. So again, very एक simple तरीका लेने का जो मैं लेता हूँ since last 6-7 years. We generally buy 1 kg of drumstick. फिंगर के साइज का काट के पूरे हफ्ते के लिए स्टील के डब्बे में फ्रिज में रख देते हैं. रोज रोज काटना ही नहीं है. जब लंच करने बैठ रहे हैं, हमारा बोल ऑफ सैलेड आ जाता है, उसके साथ 6 to 7 या 5 to 6 पीसेस फिंगर साइज ड्रमस्टिक, एक सीटी लगा के बॉईल करो. एक सीटी लगा के बॉईल किया, आपके सैलेड के साथ आ गया. यू फिनिश योर सैलेड. वो 5 पीसेस ड्रमस्टिक के, उसको आप बस चूसना है, ऊपर का फेंक देना, चूसना है, ऊपर का फेंक देना, एंड देन यू हैव योर लंच, देन यू हैव योर डिनर. Simple habit. 5 pieces of drumstick in a day, lunch and dinner. कितना टाइम लगेगा? 15 seconds. But amazing immunity boosting properties. Excellent for diabetes. Excellent for high blood pressure. Excellent for kidney disease. But it just have to be in your practice.
Okay. Sweetener में आप क्या suggest करेंगे for the diabetes patients in general, non-diabetes also?
Okay, so a lot of people have sweet cravings. They wish to eat sweet food. So one of the things that we really recommend for all of them is khajur and gud. Okay, so khajur and gud कुछ खराबी नहीं करेगा. So diabetic वालों को भी अगर कुछ मीठा खाने का मन करे तो आप खजूर खाएंगे या गुड़ खाएंगे, उससे कुछ खराबी नहीं करेगा. But every time we have chocolates and sugary stuff, that will give wrong information to the system, which will create a lot of disease promoting cells.
सर इसमें एक सवाल ये आता है, गुड़ की जब बात करते हैं तो एक्चुअल गुड़ तो आजकल मिलता ही नहीं है. These are all nothing but sugar content.
Yeah, so we should try and get a good source of jaggery if possible, but which is absolutely okay to have.
Great. So sir, एक क्वेश्चन आपसे और करना था. अब नमक, for those who have high blood pressure, सबसे बड़ी प्रॉब्लम ये होती है जिनका हाई बीपी होता है, their craving for salt is very high.
Mhm.
So, what do you suggest for them? Because high BP is something which is again a very difficult lifestyle disease, which again, if we follow your rules, we can reverse them as well.
A very, very simple understanding of salt is Sindha Namak is preferred. That is point number one. And we all should focus on having Sindha Namak compared to any other salt. Number one. Number two, lunch and dinner में जितना हमको नमक चाहिए, in moderation we will use Sindha Namak. Apart from lunch and dinner, हमारे अंदर पूरे दिन में salt जाना नहीं चाहिए. All right. So now, problem is actually not with little bit of Sindha Namak in food. Problem is, and why people develop swelling and blood pressure and kidney issues, which all are related to also high salt intake, is because of eating too much processed foods, which has lot of salt. Now, for example, आप एक लेस का पैकेट, एक चिप्स लेस का पैकेट अगर आप खाओ, उसमें भर भर के salt, that is a big problem. All right. So we should really avoid or minimize packet food. So automatically your salt consumption will drop significantly. Lunch, dinner में in moderation is okay, not a problem. Sindha Namak is preferred.
Okay. Sir, if you have friends, if you have questions, I can see 3 hands raised. I will soon pull you in. In the meantime, you can always ask in the chat box. We have ma'am here, Singhi ji is here. She's going to address most of the questions from there. So we move on to the next question here, fruits. I want you to recommend some of your signature fruits which are very good for people lifestyle.
Excellent. So if you are in India, or first rather, let me put it this way: if you are outside India, in US, Dubai, UK, the fruits that I always recommend to our Indian patients who are staying there is berries, strawberry, blueberry, all of that. India में fresh मिलता नहीं है, so we don't recommend much. But one of the top fruits when it comes to nutrient value is our berries. Okay, so that is if you are outside. If you are in India, again, fruits like ripe papaya, pakka papita. Papaya is one fruit which has maximum digestive enzymes. So stomach, gut के लिए बहुत अच्छा है. We have discussed a lot how important is our gut health. You know, in fact, yesterday I was in one of these seminars with one of the cancer oncologists, and we were talking about gut health and increase in cancers. So we understand that gut health is so very important, and one of the things that our gut bacteria need is a lot of fiber which are there in fruit. So papaya has a lot of digestive enzymes which are good for gut. So number one. Number two, another fruit which is master stroke, which people are not aware. Everyone make a note of this. A fruit which is master stroke for immunity, and that is pomegranate, anar, bedana. All right. It is a Sachin Tendulkar for immunity. वैसा सोचो. You know, I will immunity point of view say I will keep pomegranate as high as berries, all that strawberry, blueberries, all of that. Okay. So these two fruits are master stroke for immunity. So bedana, papaya, favorite, okay, in this time and otherwise also. Apart from this, focus on seasonal stuff. जैसे भी नाशपाती मिलेगा, pineapple मिलना चालू हुआ है. Pineapple is amazing for joint pain, blood pressure, skin issues, immunity, very very good. सीताफल मिलना. So focus on seasonal fruits, but particularly papaya and anar has to be there. So जैसे मैंने आपको बताया, last 1 month में I've been talking to around 30-35 families or people who have COVID. Recommended all of them to have papaya anar every single day.
Okay, sir. तो ऐसा ना करें आप लोग रोज 2-2 किलो पपाया और 3-3 किलो अनार खा लें. सर क्वांटिटी भी आप डिसाइड कर लीजिए ना, इजी हो जाएगा हमारे लिए.
Right. So again, anything in excess is not okay. So bowl of papaya or half anar or day is very very nice.
Okay, so we are going good so far. I hope you're enjoying the session, Karan ji.
Absolutely.
Yeah,
Absolutely.
one question. What about
Yes.
chili? Green chili or red chili?
Yeah, so in moderation it is okay, but it should not disturb the gut. All right. So somebody who has inflammation in the gut, lot of gastric issue, colitis issue, उनके लिए chilies avoid करना is highly recommended. But if otherwise you are doing good, in moderation it is okay. वो अंदर जाके stomach को disturb नहीं करना चाहिए.
तो मतलब आपने he was asking between red chili versus green chili, which is better for the health wise.
No, see, health point of view, say again, both have their own benefits, okay? And eating both is also okay, but you should not just overdo that. ये ध्यान रखना.
Okay. दूसरा, आजकल लोग बोलते हैं कि सैनिटाइजर में अल्कोहल होता है, तो अब उसका भी मात्रा बता दीजिए.
No, again, that's a good one. Overuse of sanitizers are not okay. Why? Only simple reason, it kills the good bacteria also. So in our hands, we also have good bacteria. So in moderation, sanitizer is okay. But if you're at home, bahar se aa rahe ho, ghar pe, if you're at home, better is to wash with plain water and soap and all of that rather than too much of sanitizer, which is not okay.
नहीं हम तो दूसरा पूछ रहे थे, अल्कोहल की मात्रा डिसाइड करवा रहे थे आपसे.
My problem with people who are drinking is only one. You want to drink once in a while, I don't mind. But the people who are munching, wo jo chakna aap khate ho, deep fried chips and bhujia and all of that with drinking, that is not okay. That is, putting a lot of load on your kidney, a lot of load on your liver and your fat and lot of things. So usko aap check pe rakho. Otherwise, once in a while is not a problem.
Okay, we will make a lucky draw soon enough. In the meantime, I must announce that on Sunday, we're doing a show with the non-COVID doctors of Bellevue Hospital. Most of these frontline doctors are coming for the show. So you must return, and I'm going to invite all of you back. In the meantime, I'm taking Shikha Poddarji for a question. Please unmute yourself, Shikha ji.
Good evening, sir. I have a question on your take on wheatgrass juice. They say that, every body has cancer cells and, it gets activated depending upon your lifestyle. So I just wanted to know, do you think at our age, I'm in my late 30s, we should start consuming wheatgrass juice, and in what quantity?
Excellent question, and you're very, very right. And right now, जितने भी जन मौजूद हैं, each and every one of us have cancer cells within our body. But what stops these cells to multiply? What stops cancer cells to grow? It is our immune system. And if the body is alkaline, cancer cells will not grow. If the body is acidic, cancer cells will grow a lot, right? So one of the things that can really help build immunity or make your system alkaline is wheatgrass juice, no doubt about it. It is recommended that you should have it empty stomach, all right? So the best way is morning, suppose whenever you 7, 8 baje, have a glass of fresh wheatgrass juice. It is one of the most alkaline food present, and it has tons and tons of health benefits.
Excuse me, being a diabetic, can fruit be taken twice in a day? Once in the morning, early morning, and second in the evening?
Depends from how your numbers are. So for example, somebody who has fasting of around say 105, 95 or 120 is okay, no problem, din mein 2 baar le sakte hain. Someone whose fasting is consistently 180, 170, I will recommend ek baar rakho, not 2 times.
Thank you. Great. Next question from Mr. Gautam Ghai. I'm unmuting you, please. Unmute yourself. Gautam Ghai.
Yeah, hi.
वीडियो तो ऑन कर लीजिए सर, वीडियो ऑन कर लीजिए ना, बड़े हैंडसम लगते हैं वैसे भी. हेलो गौतम जी, कहाँ चले गए? गौतम जी कहाँ चले गए? वीडियो ऑन करने बोला, आ गए. बोलिए.
So typically, with diabetic patients, it's said that they are overweight, and metformin helps them reduce weight and so on and so forth. In my case, I'm not overweight, I'm actually underweight, and some of the things that I've been hearing today, especially with respect to losing weight and changing of a diet, it sometimes results in people losing more weight. So how does one protect the weight while trying to also abide by these this what we've heard today?
All right. So I think if I've understood you correctly, and let me know if I'm answering you well, or if you want me to throw some light on something else, I will also. So there are couple of things here. Number one, if you're overweight, all right, you should be losing weight in the right way by eating right, eating food which will also. So I will put it this way: losing weight has to be a byproduct, becoming better. You don't focus on losing weight, you focus on becoming healthier. You should focus on becoming better as a system. Your bowel movement, your sleep, your gut health, everything should be better, and as a result you should be losing weight, which is a healthy sign. However, if somebody who is not overweight, and if he's losing weight, we can add a few foods that will really help not lose weight. So that is number one. Number two, since you have mentioned diabetic and overweight also, in very, very interesting thing, I really want to educate everyone on this. if you look at the Western world, US or Europe, you will see around 80 to 85% people who are overweight are also diabetic, and diabetic are also overweight. But when you look at Asian population, that's a very interesting study. When you look at Asian population, the people who are, the 40%, around 40-45% people only have overweight and diabetes. There are many people who are not overweight, who are slim, okay, who are not fat. They also get diabetes. All right. This is one of the phenomenal of the Asian people. Now, then the researchers went deep inside. They look at the fat cells around their muscles and their organs. And then there was a term which came up, which is known as TOFI, TOFI. Now, TOFI is thin outside, fat inside. All right. Remember this. TOFI is thin outside and fat inside. So this I tell to a lot of people, and it is important for understanding, because when I say fat inside, so biopsy was done, and then it was found that there are fat cells around each and every organs of those people who have TOFI, who are classified as TOFI. So so not every thin people is fit, and not every overweight people is unhealthy. All right. So we need to understand that we need to eat right. We need to focus on a good system, because you can be thin, you can be slim, and you can be unhealthy also, right? So important point that I want everybody to understand is that lose weight the right way. And if there are medications that is ensuring more and more weight loss, you should try and remove that. In fact, metformin is the first line of defense which is given to most diabetic people. Metformin is the safest. It works on the insulin resistance part. It has negligible side effect compared to other diabetic medications. So it should be fine. But again, if you're eating right, if your numbers are better, metformin is one medicine which people can easily taper it out. Not a problem.
Thank you.
Great. We take the next question. Let's take the next question. We are unmuting Sanjay Malhotra ji. ये हमारे बहुत खास चाहने वालों में से हैं. पापा जी से डॉक्टर की खास फॉलोअर है. पूछिए सर.
Thank you, sir. Sir, I have a question that reducing weight is not that difficult if we follow your recommendations, as you said, and but reducing tummy is the main issue. Why is it so that you can reduce the weight on other part of your body, but the tummy is the toughest one? What can we do to reduce the size of the tummy? If you can please guide me.
Sure. In fact, for all the men, okay, who have little tummy which is there, we need to understand something. What is there inside? Okay, and I'll tell you something. So we have a hormone known as insulin. Insulin is a hormone. Okay, insulin is a fat storage hormone. Okay, so all the men who gain weight in the belly side, which means that there's extra insulin circulating in your body, and women will have fat in the thigh side, right? In the back thigh side. Now that is extra insulin which is circulating in the body. All right. So when you have these things, we should focus on foods which will not release more insulin in your body. Now, so there is something known as glycemic index. I'm sure many of us have heard. So there are different foods with different glycemic index. Okay. So glycemic index means कि क्या खाने से हमारे बॉडी में शुगर लेवल बढ़ेगा. जितना शुगर लेवल बढ़ेगा, बॉडी इंसुलिन बनाएगा वो शुगर को सेल में डालने के लिए. So we should eat foods जिसका glycemic index is very low, and there are few simple exercise activities also we can recommend जिससे ये belly fat अंदर चले जाएगा. So if you really are looking at it, just drop your number. I'll ask someone from my team to give you few 5-6 recommendations जो करने से belly fat जल्दी अंदर चले जाए.
Sure. Thank you. Thank you.
करण जी, अगर आपकी इजाजत हो, और अजीत जी अगर आपकी इजाजत हो, can we do the draw now?
No.
Can we do it before we go to the next question? आप पूछिए सर.
एक myth है milk के बारे में, milk and milk product. Doctor has to say something about it.
अरे वो बहुत बड़ा टॉपिक है इनका फेवरेट टॉपिक है, उस पे आते हैं. We are touching the topic, अजीत जी. I promise we'll touch the topic because ये इनका जो प्रोडक्ट है, ये वाला टॉपिक इनका फेवरेट है. इस पे ये बगल में जब इनको शुरुआत करेंगे तो पूरी विस्तार में समझाएंगे, and we want to listen to it. So we are going to that, but before that I want to do a fair draw now where we can send to these people 3 sets of products. Even if they are not present, if they've registered, we'll share it with them. If you permit, sir, Ajit ji.
Please go ahead.
Karan ji, can we do it?
Absolutely.
Okay, so this is where I'm sharing the screen. This is here. So I just shared the screen. Now we have done a formula here by way of which we can. अभी हमारे पास total में 402 registrations हैं यहाँ पर. तो उससे क्या होगा कि हम लोग इसको जो है अब हम लोग ये करेंगे तो we can do. अरे क्या कर रहा है रवि? I don't know why you're doing this. Ravi, are you changing something here?
No, you put it on full screen.
Okay, एक मिनट. So इसमें total 402 registrations हैं. Now we click here and we will get to know which number is selected. कहाँ गया ये? अरे कहाँ चला गया? 369. Now 369 number is here. So like it goes like this. 369 is here. Who's the number? It just take 2 more minutes, sir. हो जाएगा अभी. 402 registrations हो चुके हैं total. The first name is of 369. That is Bhagwati Bihani. Bhagwati Bihani has been selected as the first. We are going to get in touch with her and send it to her. The next is we go again. 208. So just one more draw and we are done. We can move on because we really want them to have this product courtesy Abbott. Manish Rajgadia. Manish Rajgadia gets it too. Now he's a good friend of mine. I did not do anything. कहाँ गया वो? अरे कहाँ चला गया? कहाँ चला गया? So we've done 2. I'll do now third one. Let's join back after this. Stop share. Okay, we move. So Manish Rajgadia selected, and the third is. ये थोड़ा system error होता है भाई हम क्या करें बताइए अब. Third is your last is 302. 302 is Mohua Mitra. Mohua Mitra. Okay, fine. Selected. So ये हो गया इनका selection. Done. We have registered, sir. So I'm stopping the screen share. 3 have been selected. I will connect with them. Thank you so much. Let's move on. The next question is Shruti Agarwal ji. You are there.
Yeah, hello Karan ji. Okay, am I audible?
Yes.
Yeah, I just wanted to know, like, I have something regards to drumsticks and I'm not being able to take it. So can moringa leaves be a good substitute for it? And
Yes.
how should we take it?
So in case you are unable to take drumstick as it is, you can also take moringa leaves. Absolutely okay, no problem. You can either mix them in any soup you are taking, or you can mix them in the food also. You can make a chutney out of that also. But moringa leaves are good if you're unable to take drumstick as it is.
So can I put moringa leaves in the morning jeera water itself?
I don't want you to boil and have the nutrient of it. I want you to have the leaves. So morning mein when we are putting jeera, tulsi, pudina, then we are boiling it and we are straining it. Hum chhan rahe and wo pani pi rahe. I don't want you to strain and have the water of moringa leaves. I want you to eat moringa leaves.
So can I just have it raw?
You can, no problem.
Okay. And any good time to have that?
With lunch and dinner is perfect.
Okay. Thank you. Thanks a lot.
Yeah.
एक्चुअली ये जूम सेशन में ना एक मजे की बात क्या है ना एकदम डायरेक्ट इंटरेक्शन हो जाता है. तो हमारे साथ गूगल जी ऐसे ही बैठे हुए तो हर किसी को क्वेश्चन रहता ही है. तो वी मूव ऑन टू द नेक्स्ट टॉपिक ऑफ आवर्स जो अजीत जी ने रेज किया था, टॉकिंग अबाउट मिल्क एंड मिल्क प्रोडक्ट्स एंड वीगन वर्सेस वेजिटेरियन. इसकी ये 2 टॉपिक जो आपकी सबसे अच्छी टॉपिक है जिसमें आप बहुत विस्तार पूर्वक एक्सप्लेन कर सकते हैं. द प्लेटफॉर्म इज योर्स सर.
Great. So we all need to understand a couple of things. Okay. Number 1, it is not about milk. It is not about drumsticks. It is not about papaya. It is about you and your health. उससे ज़्यादा ज़रूरी कुछ नहीं है, right? So why is it that we ask people to stay away from milk? All right, we need to understand this. So any mammal on this planet, human beings or animals, any mammal in this planet, उनके body में milk कब आता है? When they are pregnant. Correct? Lactation. When they're lactating, उनके body में milk आता है. Mother's milk दुनिया में number 1. But last 20, 30, 40 years, milk consumption has gone up so much. पूरे साल तो गाय pregnant नहीं है, तो उसमें injection, hormones डाल के दूध निकालते हैं. Every time we have दूध का चाय, छेना, paneer and all of that, we get those added hormones which triggers hormonal imbalance. What is thyroid? It is a hormonal issue. What is insulin? The pancreas that make insulin is a hormone. Overweight is a hormonal issue. So अगर हमको रूट कॉज ठीक करना है फॉर लाइफस्टाइल डिजीज, हमारे अंदर वो चीज कम जानी चाहिए जिससे हार्मोनल इम्बैलेंस होता है. एंड वन ऑफ द थिंग दैट रियली ट्रिगर्स हार्मोनल इम्बैलेंस इज मिल्क एंड मिल्क प्रोडक्ट्स. ये हो गया पॉइंट नंबर 1. पॉइंट नंबर 2, अ रेगुलर काउ, जो 50 years, 60 years, 70 years पहले, a regular cow, when we used to get pure cow milk, used to produce around 20,000 pounds of milk in a year. Today that same cow is giving 50,000 pounds of milk in a year. There are so much injections of estrogen. There is something known as BGH, bovine growth hormone, which is being injected in those cows so that they can produce more and more milk. And you look up to BGH, so many studies have shown that growth of tumor cells, cancer cells, are directly related to having BGH, which is bovine growth hormone, which you get from those milk, which is not milk but something else. So my recommendation to all of you is, if you can get pure cow milk, I don't mind. That is not a problem. The problem is that the milk today that we are getting, it is not milk and it is something else. So try and stay away from it. Point number 1. Point number 2, milk derivatives. Okay, paneer, cheese, butter, ghee, all of that. The only 2 things which are comparatively much better. Number 1 is curd, because dahi, when it is fermented, a lot of bad things go out, a lot of good probiotics, everything come in. So comparatively, curd is something which is okay, but again, case to case basis. If someone comes to me who has fatty liver, kidney problem, high thyroid, high sugar, मैं 3-4-6 महीना उनको मिल्क प्रोडक्ट से दूर रखूंगा. Compared to that, if someone comes who's overall healthy, वो बोल रहा है कि आप 10 चीज बताइए क्या खाना चाहिए और मैं रोज थोड़ा दही लेना चाहता हूँ, I don't mind. All right, so case to case. And another derivative which is comparatively much better is ghee. So ghee has a lot of benefits as well. So ये दोनों चीज comparatively आप ले सकते हैं. But इसके अलावा, you try and stay away from all of that. Again, I would want to close this subject of milk by saying, once in a while everything is okay. कभी कभी मन करे, कभी बाहर जाएंगे, कभी कोई गेस्ट आ गए, कभी दूध का चाय पीना है, कभी बाहर महीने में एक बार पनीर टिक्का खाना है, it's okay. But what we do 80-90% is what is important. What I really don't like people is being addicted to anything. So many people say हमको चाय का addiction है, हमको दूध का addiction है. That is not okay. You are supposed to be you are supposed to be someone who has to be fit, fine, healthy. कभी कभी enjoy करिए, no problem, but don't be addicted. After all, हम कौन है? आज हम जितने भी जन यहाँ पे है, who are we? We are pure consciousness, right? We are soul, we are consciousness. We cannot be addicted to anything, be it pan parag, drinking, or doodh chai, coffee. Once in a while, I don't mind. But day to day, we should be doing things that are good for us. ये हो गया milk का बात. Coming to Jiten's another very important point is vegetarian and vegan. Personally, I don't like the word vegan. You know why? Because India mein the culture of nashta is very much there. So people who are eating dhokla, swali, bhujia will say I am vegan, because vegan is not eating animal foods. Okay, so koi bhi khana is dunya mein, it can be either animal or packet or processed food or plant foods. Plant food, processed food, animal food. So when we talk about being vegan, we are eliminating animal, so we are left with processed and plant food. Someone eating French fries, Coca-Cola throughout the day will say, I am vegan. Need not mean that he is healthy. So I will want people to focus more on plant foods, real foods that has fiber, plant foods, rather than thinking about vegan.
प्रियंका जी, I have unmuted you, but आपके यहाँ शायद Facebook भी चल रहा है जिसमें कि आप दोनों जगह का echo आ रहा है यहाँ पर. You can ask your question, please.
Sir, I wanted to ask you, what food or which food should I eat before periods and during periods? Because the cramps which I have at least is too much, and the flow is also too much. So if you could suggest anything.
See, there are a lot
Thank
of
you.
things that can help, but couple of quick solutions. Number one, हमने जो जीरा पानी बताया था ना, जीरा, तुलसी, पुदीना,
Yes.
उसमें ना आप cinnamon ऐड करेंगे, okay? Because
Okay.
cinnamon is very good for healthy periods. Number one. दूसरा, there is something known as kishmish. You understand kishmish?
Yes.
So 6 to 7 soaked kishmish is very good for a smooth and a pain-free period. Okay, so ये दो चीज करना. But again, lot of things will matter. Your stress levels, sleep, and all of that. So milk, मैदा ये सब avoid करो. तला हुआ milk, मैदा avoid करो. Eat a plant foods, fruit and seasonal
Okay, sir.
stuff खाइए. उसके अलावा ये दो चीज करिए, इससे benefit मिलना चाहिए.
So before and during both?
Continue this for a couple of months. It will become better.
Okay. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you, Beta. Thank you so much. Okay, we move on to the next important topic which we want to ask him. Are you perfectly okay to take more questions, sir, Karanji?
If time permits, we can do it for
आप
a while.
टाइम लिमिट क्या बता दीजिए हमको, फिर उसके हिसाब से हम चलेंगे ना.
We have 15-20 minutes. We can do it. Yeah, no problem.
Okay, fine. So let's talk about some good foods for heart. We want to touch some topics which we have left out, like heart, cholesterol, bad versus good, and then we have food for sleep, good sleep. So we take up these topics one by one so that we all learn from him as to how we are going to incorporate in our lives and change these diseases which are lifestyle related.
I want everyone to have undivided attention to me right now. Okay.
पहले thank you बोलिए. पहले thank you बोलिए. हमने आपको idea दिया.
That's a good question. Good question. Why I'm telling you. Number one killer worldwide and in India and in US. Number one killer is heart disease. Number two killer. Abhi last 2 साल में data has changed. The number two killer has become cancer. Number one killer is heart disease. Now, when I say heart disease, coronary artery disease. Now, it could be people with diabetes also have heart attack problems, blood pressure also. Now, understand this fundamental thing which nobody will tell you. There is something known as, this is your artery. Okay, हमारे body में arteries, veins बहुत सारे हैं. The innermost lining of your artery is known as endothelial cell. I'm telling you very basic things. Okay, this can be very powerful. So the innermost lining is known as endothelial cell. Now your endothelial cell produces something known as nitric oxide. Now nitric oxide is a gas which helps to keep your arteries very flexible. Okay, it helps dilate your arteries. Blood circulation अच्छा होता है. People जिनको over a period of time blockages बढ़े, cholesterol हुआ and all those heart problems, उनके अंदर धीरे nitric oxide production कम होता है, blockages बढ़ते हैं and things like that. Now understand this. आपके body में जो भी खाना जाएगा every day, every hour, वो इस arteries and veins को touch करके आगे जाएगा, वैसा सोचो. Okay, which means if you have gajar, if you have beetroot, if you have palak, if you have broccoli, it will clean this area. Okay, when you have cold drinks, chips, bhujia, all of that, वो deep fried, blockages बढ़ेंगे. What happened mostly जब blockage बढ़ते हैं, जब थोड़ा chest pain and all of that issues begin, what we do? We have blood thinners. उससे होगा क्या? Blood will pass easily. But have we done anything to reverse the root cause of the disease? Have we done anything जिसको सालों से ये blockage बढ़ रहे थे, nitric oxide production कम हुआ, endothelial cell damage हुआ, उसको ठीक करने के लिए हमने कुछ किया? कुछ नहीं. So now there is this doctor known as Dr. Dean Ornish. Gargi, just type it for me. Dr. Dean Ornish, Denornish. Now this doctor is one of the Harvard pass out cardiologists. Okay, इनके पास Barack Obama, Bill Clinton ऐसे लोग आते हैं. इंडिया में बड़ा से बड़ा भी कोई हार्ट डॉक्टर होगा ना, वो भी इनकी पूजा करेगा. He is that level of a doctor, Dr. Dean Ornish. Go to the website, study him. This guy, Dr. Dean Ornish, has proven to medical science that 3 months plant-based diet can start reversing heart disease, proven black and white with the help of quantitative angiography, that how blockages and all that can be reversed in one of the most prestigious medical journal known as the Lancet. Proven black and white, July 1990 में. Today, 2015 statistics, India में, every 33 seconds, someone dies because of a heart attack. Imagine हम डेढ़ घंटे से बात कर रहे हैं, 90 minutes में 180 people have died because of heart disease for a disease that should not even exist, proven in July 1990. Just because people are not aware. People are not aware of what is right, what is wrong. टुडे दिस डॉक्टर डी नॉर्निश एक बाईपास सर्जरी नहीं करता है, सबको खाना पीना योगा इसी से ठीक करता है. And I'm telling you, you know, people have to be aware of what is right, what is wrong. I tell this to my patient. दुख का कारण अज्ञान है. हमें सही चीज का नॉलेज नहीं है, हम गलत चीज करते हुए end up in wrong result. Heart disease is a disease which is completely preventable, reversible with right plant foods. Proven, full stop. Now, what you can do to reverse and prevent it? Again, 5-6 foods which are very, very important. Number one is green leafy vegetable. Like, you know, हम winters में हम लोगों को जूस पिलाते हैं. वो लंबे वाले गाजर आते हैं ना विंटर में, जो सितंबर अक्टूबर से मिलेंगे. गाजर, बीट, पालक का जूस, गाजर, बीट, धनिया का जूस. So green leafy vegetable is one of the most powerful things for production of nitric oxide. Okay, number one. Number two is beetroot. Beetroot juice. Kitne studies? You just Google beetroot juice and nitric oxide. So many studies have proven the beetroot juice is very, very high in nitric oxide. Okay, so very, very good for blood circulation, very, very good for heart and blood pressure. So number one was green leafy vegetable. Number two was beetroot. Number three, and very, very interesting, जो हाँ ये ना हम रामबाण की तरह काम करते हैं for people who have very, very high BP. There is something known as banana stem. Banana stem बंगाल में मिलता है easily. It is also known as थोर. Okay, थोर. So अगर हम आप banana stem मारोगे ना, तो गूगल में फोटो देख के आप समझ में आ जाएगा that most vegetable guys has it. Okay, banana stem. Now banana stem is रामबाण for blood pressure and very, very good for heart. बहुत जल्दी वो 160, 170 को भी नीचे ला देता है. That is number one. Moving ahead, nuts and seeds, flax seeds, almond, walnuts, pumpkin seeds, chia seeds, very, very good for heart, very, very good for blood circulation and blood pressure. All right. And last is in fruits, anar, pineapple. Pineapple is very, very good for blood circulation, blood pressure. Pineapple, anar, and papaya are very, very nice for heart and BP.
करना था. What about the good cholesterol and bad cholesterol में अगर आप कुछ ज्ञान दे सके?
Very good. 95% people do not focus on HDL, which is the good cholesterol. आप उनसे हमेशा यही सुनेंगे कोलेस्ट्रॉल कम करना है, कोलेस्ट्रॉल कम करना है. कोई आके आपको नहीं बोलेगा कि हमें कोलेस्ट्रॉल बढ़ाना है, because nobody focuses on good cholesterol. And it is the good cholesterol that cleans your artery. It is the good cholesterol that removes all the blockages. It is very, very more important than bad and total cholesterol. Someone जिनका total bad cholesterol 20 point ऊपर भी रहेगा ना, if they have good cholesterol, I am very happy. Compared to जिनका total bad cholesterol नीचे रहे and good cholesterol उनका बहुत नीचे है, that is not acceptable. Okay, so always keep checking your good cholesterol HDL also. And HDL बढ़ाने के दो simple तरीके. Number one, walking से arteries flexible होती है, good cholesterol बढ़ता है. Number two is again nuts and seeds, almond, walnuts, pumpkin seeds, chia seeds, flax seeds. And number three, there is something known as Brazil nuts. वो बादाम की तरह बड़ा होता है, उससे good cholesterol and thyroid के लिए बहुत अच्छा है. So week में 4-5 पीस ही खाना है, ज्यादा नहीं खाना है, but that is very, very good for good cholesterol.
एक रामबाण बताइए constipation के लिए.
Oh, constipation. See, constipation ना इस दुनिया में होना नहीं चाहिए. Why? Because of lack of fiber. People जो अबे इसबगुल खाते हैं. What is इसबगुल? इसबगुल is pure fiber. तो जो जिनका खाना पीना में natural fiber, fruit, vegetable ये सब चीज काफी होगा ना, तो ऑटोमेटिकली आपको कॉन्स्टिपेशन होगा नहीं. ये हो गया पॉइंट नंबर 1, होना ही नहीं चाहिए. अगर किसी को है एंड क्विक सोल्यूशन चाहिए ना, तो रात को सोने के टाइम 1 चम्मच 1 टीस्पून आप घी लेना, उसके ऊपर 1 ग्लास ल्यूकवार्म वाटर पी लेना. 3-4 दिन करना, पेट साफ बहुत अच्छा होगा. However, this is just a small remedy. This is not an substitute of eating a good food with fiber, जिससे नॉर्मली ही अच्छा होना चाहिए. हमको उसका जरूरत नहीं लगना चाहिए.
Okay. एक कुछ बताइए, नींद अच्छी जिनको नहीं आती, आपके फूड में कोई इसका मेडिसिन है क्या नींद के लिए?
There are 2-3 very, very important things. Number one, कि कोई भी इंसान को नींद आता कब है? Let us understand this.
When you have a peace of mind.
Not really. I want everybody to listen to this very, very carefully. Okay. कोई भी इंसान
Thank you बोलिए. अच्छा क्वेश्चन बताया.
But understand this. कोई भी इंसान को नींद कब आता है? There is just one answer. We have this hormone known as melatonin. हमारे बॉडी में मेलेटोनिन नाम का हार्मोन है. अगर मेलेटोनिन नाम का हार्मोन हमारे बॉडी में सही टाइम में सही मात्रा में रिलीज होगा तो फिर हमको नींद आएगी। उसीलिए पीपल हु कम फ्रॉम यूएस, अमेरिका, न्यूजीलैंड, उनको 3-4 दिन नींद उनको उस टाइम के हिसाब से आती है, बिकॉज द मेलेटोनिन प्रोडक्शन इज अकॉर्डिंग टू दैट टाइम। ओके, सो हमारे अंदर में मेलेटोनिन नाम का हार्मोन सही टाइम सही मात्रा में रिलीज होना चाहिए। नाउ पीपल हु टेक स्ट्रेस, पीपल हु डू नॉट हैव पीस ऑफ माइंड, दे टेक स्ट्रेस, उनके वजह से उनका मेलेटोनिन प्रोडक्शन रुक जाता है। बट द रूट कॉज इज मेलेटोनिन ठीक से रिलीज होना चाहिए सही टाइम सही मात्रा में। ऑलराइट, stress can be one of the hindrance to production of melatonin but not the root cause of lack of sleep. All right, so we can do 2-3 things जिससे नींद बहुत अच्छा आएगा। Point number 1 is hormonal balance करने, सही खाना है, which is there. Apart from that, there is something known as nutmeg, jaifal. All right, there is something known as jaifal or nutmeg. Now 1/4 teaspoon, one घिस के पाउडर बनाना है जायफल को, 1/4 teaspoon of जायफल आप कोई भी शाम को फ्रूट के साथ खाना। इस जायफल से स्लीपिंग हार्मोन्स हमारे अच्छे रिलीज होते हैं। ये हो गया पॉइंट नंबर 1। पॉइंट नंबर 2, देयर इज समथिंग नोन एज पिस्ता। पिस्ता में मेलेटोनिन नाम का हार्मोन काफी अच्छा है। मुट्ठी भर पिस्ता हम दिन में 1 बार 2 बार खाएं, उससे स्लीप बेटर हो सकता है। पॉइंट नंबर 2। पॉइंट नंबर 3, देयर इज पंपकिन सीड्स की हमने जो बात की थी, पंपकिन सीड्स में देयर आर लॉट ऑफ कंपाउंड्स व्हिच कैन हेल्प प्रोडक्शन ऑफ मेलेटोनिन आल्सो। एंड नंबर 4, देयर इज समथिंग नोन एज लेफ्ट नॉस्ट्रिल ब्रीदिंग। राइट नॉस्ट्रिल को बंद करना है, लेफ्ट नॉस्ट्रिल से ब्रीद इन करो, ब्रीद आउट करो। लेफ्ट से ही ब्रीद इन, लेफ्ट से ही ब्रीद आउट। When you are breathing in and breathing out from left nostril breathing, the entire oxygen goes to the right side of your brain, which activates something known as parasympathetic nervous system, जिससे हमारा anxiety, stress सब कुछ कम होता है। Within anxiety, stress के लिए भी बहुत अच्छा left nostril breathing। Within few days, 15-20 days, sleep can become much better। ये 4 चीज आप करो, इससे काफी अच्छा हो जाना चाहिए।
इसीलिए तो मैं आपको गूगल बोलता हूँ।
नहीं
इसीलिए बोलता हूँ गूगल। क्यों अजीत जी, व्हाट डू यू से? अजीत जी, आपको अनम्यूट करना पड़ेगा बात करने के लिए, आपको अनम्यूट करना पड़ेगा। Yes.
We are very much thankful for giving all the advices, and I'm sure that being your student at this time, not a patient, a student, I'm going to follow now very rigorously. But I have a small question that ये जो timings है life की, जो हमारी लाइफ साइकिल है, मे बी अभी कोविड की वजह से वी आर ऑल फॉलोइंग दैट, बट नॉर्मल लाइफस्टाइल में आदमी काम पे निकल जाता है, उसको जो मिलता है वो खा लेता है। मतलब ये एक साइकिल इतना खराब है जो हम लोगों को इसी में फंसाया। लेट खाना, बिकॉज हम लोग लेट वर्क करते हैं तो लेट खाते हैं। लेट खाने के ऊपर में आपका क्या व्यू है वो थोड़ा सा बता दीजिए। जो लेट फूड लेते हैं हम लोग 8:30-9 के बाद।
देखो, हम 2 चीज कहेंगे, आपकी दोनों पॉइंट पे हम कुछ कहना चाहेंगे। नंबर 1 इज प्रायोरिटी एंड कॉन्शियसनेस। मुझे अजीत जी आपसे प्यार है तो मैं कुछ भी करूंगा जिससे आपका अच्छा होगा। तो सिमिलरली अगर हम इस बात का कॉन्शियसनेस रहे कि हमें हमारा ध्यान रखना है, तो ठीक है, हम 100% नहीं कर पाएंगे इन अ हेक्टिक लाइफ, बट 80% तो कर पाए। सो ये बात का हमें कॉन्शियसनेस रहना चाहिए कि नो, हमने लाइफ में बहुत काम कर लिया, बहुत कुछ कर लिया, नाउ वी शुड गिव आवर हेल्थ अ प्रायोरिटी। अगर हम ठीक है ना तो सब कुछ ठीक है। सो दैट इज कॉन्शियसनेस होना पड़ेगा थोड़ा। एंड इट इज हैबिट, ट्रस्ट मी, इट इज हैबिट। अगर आप 1 महीना जोर लगाओगे, 2 महीना जोर लगाओगे ना, एंड आपका रूटीन बना लोगे ना, देन बाय डिफॉल्ट लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स विल हैपन। आपको याद आएगा कि हाँ, मुझे चिया सीड खाना है, पंपकिन सीड खाना है। दैट विल बिकम योर लाइफस्टाइल, नंबर 1। Talking about the fact that late dinner, definitely late dinner is something which is not recommended. जल्दी करो तो better है। However, कभी कभार अगर late हो जाए ना, so just compensate by next day starting late, so that हमारा 12-13 घंटा का intermittent fasting हुए। Although 7-8 बजे खाना is always preferable, but कोई कारण से अगर कभी कभार late होता है, तो हम सुबह we will start little late so that we have that 12-13 hours of window जिसमें body can do its own cleaning, which is very important.
Perfect. संदीप गुप्ता जी, आपका म्यूट नहीं हो रहा था, अब शायद आपका अनम्यूट हो रहा है। Can you say something? Would like to say something? संदीप गुप्ता जी, संदीप गुप्ता जी, आपका आवाज नहीं आ रहा, अभी भी नहीं आ रहा। आपका आवाज नहीं आ रहा. चलिए, it's okay. So, Ajit ji, we are right on to the end of the session. We do not have much time. We cannot hold him here. But there are 2 questions. Can we take, sir? Karan ji, हाथ please किए हुए.
Let's take 2 questions. Yeah.
Okay. So we take from Dipti Goyal ji. Please unmute yourself. Yes, please ask.
Hello. Doctor, I'm 49 and I'm dealing with knee arthritis. I have reduced my weight about 5 kgs from 66. I'm about 60 now. But my knee problem is like getting chronic. I can hardly, walking is a problem, inflammation, pain. I've changed a lot my diet habit. I wanted to ask you about coconut water, having daily coconut water. And so many things that you have suggested I have incorporated in my diet, but I'm losing confidence every day because I'm like knee is getting bad. Though the doctor says that I can postpone my surgery, but I really don't want to go that way.
आपका नाम क्या है?
दीप्ति.
दीप्ति जी, हम 3-4 चीज बता रहे हैं, आप एकदम ध्यान से सुनना एंड बहुत बेटर होगा उससे. ओके.
Okay.
One thing that most people should do who have arthritis, joint pains, uric acid, number one thing we should always remember is खाने में हमारे खट्टा नहीं जाना चाहिए. I'm not asking you, Dipti ji, but I definitely want you to rectify this if you're doing this. खाने में खट्टा नहीं जाना चाहिए. Understand?
Not even lemon. Lemon would you call खट्टा?
Exactly. I was coming to that. Now understand this. अगर मेरे पास 1 glass पानी का है, in this 1 glass of water, I am putting lemon. And I'm drinking this plain 1 glass of lemon water. It is alkaline. It is good for the system. Lemon, as it is, I squeeze and it touches my saliva. It is alkaline, good for the system. But when I put lemon in cooked food, it becomes acidic and not alkaline. All right. So tomato, lemon, imli, amchur, 1 month, 2 months, खाने से खट्टा हटाइए. Drastic improvement in pains. Point number 1. Okay. Point number 2. Milk product, again acidic in nature, so if you're having, you should avoid. 4-5 चीजें हम आपको बता रहे हैं जिससे नी पेन बहुत बेटर होगा. नंबर 1 इज कच्चा पपीता. यू नो कच्चा पपीता. सो हमने ड्रमस्टिक की तो बात की थी. ड्रमस्टिक में अनगिनत कैल्शियम. सो कच्चा पपीता एंड ड्रमस्टिक का आप सूप पियेंगे, उसमें टमाटर नहीं डालेंगे और कुछ नहीं डालना. कच्चा पपीता, ड्रमस्टिक का आप सूप सुबह शाम जब पीना है, खाली ये सूप पीना, साथ में ताल मखाना ले सकते हैं. अमेजिंग फॉर नी. ओके. तीसरा चीज, कड़ी पत्ता. कड़ी पत्ता has unlimited calcium, good for hair, good for skin. So 5-6 कड़ी पत्ता लंच के साथ तुलसी की तरह चबा के खाना. डिनर के टाइम में तुलसी की तरह चबा के खाना, वेरी वेरी गुड. ओके. खाने में भी डाल सकते हो, नो प्रॉब्लम. जितना ज्यादा कड़ी पत्ता खाओ, दैट इज नाइस. ओके. नंबर 4, ripe papaya is the fruit you will have every day. पक्का पपीता. So कच्चा पपीता ड्रमस्टिक का सूप पी रहे हैं, दैट इज डिफरेंट. पक्का पपीता सुबह खाओ, हो सके दोनों टाइम खाओ, सुबह शाम. पक्का पपीता is very very good. अनार is also very very good. खजूर एंड अंजीर is very very nice for you. जीरा पानी हमने आपको बताया था, जीरा में कैल्शियम बहुत सारा है, सो जीरा पानी दिन में 2-3 बार पीना. ये सब आप करोगे ना, एंड अज्यूमिंग योर अदर बेसिक थिंग्स, तला हुआ मिल्क मैदा अवॉइड करे, डेफिनेटली आपको बहुत अच्छा लगेगा. डेफिनेटली बहुत अच्छा लगेगा.
Thank you so much. It's very reassuring. Thank you very much.
Okay, can I take Kiran ji? Kiran Dhanuka ji, please unmute yourself.
Yeah. Hi, Karan ji.
If I'm
Hi,
not
Kiran.
wrong,
Hi, kar lijiye.
if I'm not wrong, you are the one which I'm thinking about, Kiran ji.
Yes. Yes.
आपका आवाज सही लगा. How are you? Good.
Yes, I'm good. My son is also back. You
Fantastic.
came for him when he was going to Milan.
Fantastic. बताइए.
Nice to hear you always, as always.
नहीं, same here.
I was just thinking this session with my son only, and he's returned from US now, and their night sleep schedule is not yet regularized as per India our schedule.
Okay.
So he says about melatonin supplements he's got from it there. So
Right.
what is your take on that? Like,
All right. So again, it's okay, not a problem. But अपने natural कुछ try करेंगे. So what I can do after this session, I will message you we have our number. So I'll message you 3-4 things. Okay. आप वो try करना. उससे natural melatonin release होना चाहिए. However, melatonin supplement आप मुझे photo भेज देना उसका. I'll have a look. Should not be a problem. But again, natural ways are much better. Right?
Okay. Okay. Thank you so much. Always a pleasure to hear you.
Thank you. Thank you for coming, Kiranji.
Thank you, Jiten. Thank you so much for inviting me every time. But it's really good. Your shows are really very, very good.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Anjali ji, we take the last question from you. Anjali ji, please unmute yourself. Yep, please ask.
And can you hear me? Hi, good afternoon, sir. Thanks. The session has indeed been very lovely and informative. So I wanted to ask regarding the vitamin B12 deficiency, which is like coming on kind of a rage nowadays. Before it was like high cholesterol, and then came vitamin D deficiency. But nowadays we hear a lot about vitamin B12 deficiency. How to overcome that, and what are the natural ways, and why do we, suffer from such things?
Thank you so much for asking this question. I will go a little one step ahead and answer a couple of more things related to this. Plant foods में 4 चीज नहीं मिलता है. Number 1 is vitamin B12. Number 2 is vitamin D3. Number 3 is vitamin K2. And number 4 is long chain omega 3. Okay. ये चारों चीज की बॉडी में बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट रोल्स है एंड मल्टीफैक्टोरल एंड वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. B12 is related to our nervous system, related to energy level, related to hair falls. So ये सारा चीज B12, D3, K2, omega 3, long chain, ये सब चीज रहना जरूरी है. These 4 things you don't get in plant foods. So अगर आपको और कोई चीज की लाइफस्टाइल डिजीज ना हो एंड अगर B12 कम हो, सो आप दही चालू कर सकते हैं, उससे B12 लेवल्स बढ़ेंगे. However, if you have thyroid, sugar, BP, cholesterol, कोई भी lifestyle disease है and you want to stay away from milk products, you can have B12 tablets once a day for 2-3 months. वो लेवल बढ़ जाएंगे. एक बार लेवल 200 से 900 के बीच में होना चाहिए. एक बार आपका 350, 400, 500 पहुंच जाए, you can then stop it. साल में एक बार 2 बार चेक करते रहना. As simple as that. Same with vitamin D3. अगर आपका लेवल 30 के ऊपर होना चाहिए, अगर नीचे है, सो अपराइज D3 60 के बोल के गोली आता है. वंस अ वीक लेना है, हफ्ते में एक बार लेना है. 2-3-4 महीना लीजिए, एक बार लेवल बढ़े, फिर यू कैन जस्ट स्टॉप इट. साल में एक बार 2 बार चेक करते रहे. बट वी हैव टू बिकम वाइज. वी हैव टू चूज बेटर ऑप्शंस. जस्ट बिकॉज वो प्लांट फूड में नहीं है तो उसके लिए हम एग खाएंगे, एनिमल प्रोटीन खाएंगे, नॉट अ गुड आइडिया, बिकॉज दैट कम्स विद इट्स ओन साइड इफेक्ट. राइट. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर आस्किंग दिस क्वेश्चन.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much. Thank you. We have to wind up the session with one last question. Ramban for liver disease. Anybody who's suffering with chronic liver issues, कोई रामबाण बताइए.
All right. So again, there is something known as non-alcoholic fatty liver, which is really increasing a lot. So 2-3 चीज, इनफैक्ट मैंने कल ही फेसबुक लाइव इस टॉपिक पे किया था. 2-4 चीज बता रहा हूँ, वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. नंबर 1, 12 बजे के पहले कुक फूड नहीं खाना. गिव योर लिवर दैट रेस्ट. बॉडी को अपने आप को क्लीन करने दीजिए. 12 बजे के पहले पका हुआ खाना नहीं खाएंगे इफ एनीबडी हैज फैटी लिवर. नंबर 2, गार्लिक इज रामबाण फॉर कैंसर एंड लिवर एंड इवन डायबिटीज एंड इवन कोलेस्ट्रॉल. सो कैन लिवर, कोई भी सूप, जैसे मैंने उनको कच्चा पपीता ड्रमस्टिक का सूप बताया, उसमें थोड़ा सा गार्लिक डाल दीजिए. खाने पीने में डाल दीजिए. गार्लिक इज अमेजिंग फॉर क्लीनिंग द लिवर. सिमिलरली विंटर में, जब विंटर हो, जिनको लिवर का प्रॉब्लम हो, ब्रोकली रोज खाना 4 महीना. Broccoli is रामबाण for fatty liver and diabetes. Okay, so garlic is good. Cooked food 12 के पहले नहीं खाएंगे. Then for liver, पक्का पपीता and अनार is very very good for cleaning the liver. There is this vegetable known as ash gourd. Ash gourd, उसको चाल कुमड़ा भी कहते हैं, green pumpkin कहते हैं. That is a liver cleaner. मतलब one of the main benefit of having simple ash gourd juice, and very very 5 मिनट में बन जाता है. Ash gourd juice is excellent for very very alkaline, like wheatgrass juice, but excellent for cleaning the liver. Is ash gourd juice.
Perfect. It was a great session. In fact, before we end the session, I would request Ajit ji. Ajit ji hai kya?
2 minutes. He'll be there.
Yes, Karan. Ajit ji नहीं, he's gone क्या?
Yeah, okay. He's just coming in 2 minutes.
Okay, perfect. Karan ji, एक आपसे सवाल करना था before we end up the session. Do you have any particular program for these reversal diseases so that we can share? Because as I said that I'm going to send them the mail, all those who had come with the products that you wanted to showcase with them. Plus, आपके पास अगर कोई programs है तो I would like to send it to them as well. So that, because let us reach your good cause to the right levels.
Absolutely. Okay, perfect.
Ajit ji, I would like you to give your last line of thank you.
To Karan ji के लिए.
जी हाँ, बिल्कुल बिल्कुल, मैं तो थैंक यू ले ही रहा हूँ उनसे तब से.
I think universally everybody who has heard this, wherever they are, इनको सारी चीज समझ में आई है. And there are a lot of things which we were not aware. Awareness was never there because we are constantly loaded with medicines prescribed by doctors who hardly go for research. See, the point is that there has to be a research which is lacking in our system absolutely in a very high way, because the doctors here hardly go to attend the modern development. So whatever you have spoken till date is something which you are working on. That means the research is on. That is what we need.
I will just want to interrupt for a second. Around 5 years back, I was invited to give a lecture in one of the hospitals in Chennai. So there were all the doctors there, and sabka 45 minutes ka sabka presentation tha. So after my presentation, I was talking on root cause, kaise theek karna. After my presentation, there was one doctor, जो 6-7 साल हुआ उसको डॉक्टर होते हुए, he was speaking on कि अगर आपको इतना डायबिटीज है तो आपको ये 4 गोली खाना चाहिए, अगर आपका इस लेवल है तो ये 3 गोली और खाना चाहिए. So it was completely that driven, and that day I had spoken and I went and spoken to one of the deans in that hospital. He told me, who is a good friend also, he said, Karan, in the entire training of doctors, medical training of doctors, the education of nutrition is 23 hours. 23 hours in 4 years. That too basic, not how food is your best medicine. So there's a big dearth in the education of right. So therefore, I really want people to know the right things so that they can spread right information to everyone.
We have got a friend in Dulal Paul. I believe he's there. Dulal Paul can unmute because he's one of the very active members who is dealing with a lot of young students. He's practically going to every institute related to interiors. Dulal, if you have any question, I think this is a fine time you can ask, because he's just going to close down the show. Dulal, you can unmute and ask. Or Vijay Chokhani, if he is there, I don't know.
Thank you, Ajit sir. I have some questions of my personal life. That on the age of 46 now, I have a digestive problem, although I am doing exercise, all these things. So this is I'm having foods in time, but still there is a acidity problem and I have a digestive problem. So that's the keen problem. I think that arises, that happens to every people nowadays, that how to overcome these things.
Sir, আপনি বাংলায় বলুন না, হিন্দি বলুন না. Why are you thinking about English and accent? Just
আমি বলছিলাম কি actually আমার age 46.
বুঝে গেছি. We've discussed, but we have discussed about our host, Mr. Kakkar. He has already discussed about this particular digestive issues and how to resolve them.
Also, you reach out to us. 2 months, and these digestive issues will go away. These are very basic. 2 months.
Okay, so can I? How can I have the contact numbers and the details?
Some details.
You get it, Dulal. You take it from me.
Okay.
Raja is there. One Raja Sinha is there.
Raja ji, you want to ask? Mr. Raja Sinha, you want to ask the question? हाँ, कोई बात नहीं. Chokhani ji, please, आप अपना we want a last statement from you before we leave, because इनको जाना पड़ेगा आप.
Sanji, is there any negative calorie in or positive calorie in a fruit or vegetable?
No, okay. So you don't look at positive or negative calorie. As we discussed, you look at food as information. So जब पपीता खाओगे, there are a lot of good things which are happening in your cell. And when you're having bread or talawa of anything of that sort, that is doing a lot of bad thing in your cell. So kabhi kabar that bad thing body will adjust. But day to day, agar apne wo bad dalenge, so you will create disease and weak immunity and bad health. Look at it like that.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. In fact, I think we have to let him go because we have to bring him back again. Otherwise, ऐसे हम रोक के रखेंगे, दोबारा फिर कभी नहीं आएंगे. Karanji, thank you so much. And it's an honor to host you for the second time. And today's learning was far more than the previous one because we allowed you to ask. We allowed you to talk. Last time तो आपको बेचारे को बोलने ही नहीं दिया था. हमें लोग पूछ रहे थे questions आपसे.
नहीं, thank you so much. Thank you, Abid. Thank you, Ajit ji. Thank you, Jiten, and everyone who attended this. And my only request to all of you is keep sharing right information to as many people as you can so that we all can become a community and help each other become better.
इनफैक्ट मैं रिक्वेस्ट करूंगा कि जो मेल मुझे इनको सबको भेजना है आप ही ड्राफ्ट करके दें सो दैट वी कैन सेंड देम द राइट इंफॉर्मेशन. जो खास करके आपने जो कुछ अच्छी जो रामबाण बताई थी ना उनको भी मैं लिख के भेजना चाहता हूँ.
Sure.
Thank you so much. Thank you friends for being here. Thank you Ajit ji once again. Thank you Vijay ji. Thank you Sandeep ji for allowing us to host this show. I think Abid has been really helpful this time to organize such a great show. Thank you Abid once again. And thank you friends. Thank you friends. Thank you Ravi. Thank you Kavita.